Hey, I'm Mike, and this is how you get taking care of business, where you gotta walk all 3 dogs to each corner of the room on Huntsman. The tank doesn't need to go directly in the corner, just around the general area. If you do this correctly, each dog will turn white if you're tracking achievements, and the dogs will also drop some dookie on the ground, so look out for that. The third dog will be the most annoying because it does a raid-wide AoE as it moves, so whatever tank is kiting this, just make sure you keep an eye out on the raid's health, and talk to your healers to make sure they're okay with you continuing on if need be. Fight the boss in the center of the room, and as best as you can, try not to aim Sin Seeker at the kiting tank, and that tank should also be aware of where these are going, and try not to put the brown stuff in the way of the tank's path in phase 3. That's how you take care of business. Thanks for watching. Now get the hell out of here.